Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Sellfy digital storefront and setting up your shop in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create your Sellfy account. Start by visiting the Sellfy website. Click on the Get Started button to create your free account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password to set up your profile. Be sure to confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification link. Step 2. Choose your store type. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to choose the type of store you want to create. You can select from options like digital products, subscriptions, and more. Pick the one that best suits your business needs and click Next. Step 3. Customize your store appearance. Now it's time to make your storefront look appealing. Navigate to the Design section where you can customize the look and feel of your store. Choose a theme that matches your brand. You can adjust colors, fonts, and upload your logo to give your store a personalized touch. Step 4. Add your products. To start selling, you'll need to add products to your shop. Go to the Products tab and click on Add Product. Fill out the required fields such as product name, description, and price. For digital products, make sure to upload the files. When you're done, click Save to add the product to your store. Step 5. Set up payment options. To receive payments from customers, you need to set up your payment options. Head over to the Payments section. Sellfy supports various payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Choose the one you prefer and follow the prompts to integrate it with your store. Step 6. Review your store settings. Before launching your store, double-check your settings. In the Settings section, review your store name, URL, and email notifications. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything is set up correctly. Step 7. Launch your store. Once you are satisfied with the setup, it's time to go live. Click on the Launch button to make your store accessible to the public. Congratulations, you've successfully activated your Sellfy digital storefront. Remember to promote your store using social media and other marketing channels to attract customers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you for watching.